The world of heavy machinery isn't just evolving, it's charging forward like a bulldozer on rocket fuel. Thanks to the mad geniuses of engineering, who probably dream in blueprints and hydraulic diagrams, we're seeing machines that tackle colossal tasks with efficiency that could make a Swiss watch jealous. These aren't just tools, they're the rock stars of the construction world, turning impossible feats into another day at the office. These machines don't just get the job done, they do it with a flair that makes you wonder if they moonlight as superhero sidekicks. So grab your hard hat or your popcorn and join us as we count down the top never seen before. Cutting-edge heavy machines redefining what's possible in the world of heavy machinery. These aren't just benchmarks, they're the machines setting the benchmark for benchmarks. Let's dig in. Not every machine gets to live its life as a quiet, dependable worker bee in the world of industry. Some rise above the rest, roaring onto the stage like the rock stars of engineering. Today, we're spotlighting the world's most mind-blowing mechanical marvels, machines so powerful you'd think they moonlight in science fiction action films. First up, we're throwing open the floodgates of innovation with the Orbital O2, the world's most powerful floating tidal turbine. This beast has revolutionized electricity generation from tidal sources, anchored in place by a 4-point mooring system that can lift over 50 double-decker buses. Yes, you heard that right. The O2 doesn't just generate power, it flexes while doing it. Next on our tour of titans is the Vermeer SC 1052 Stump Cutter, a machine that takes tree stump removal to genius levels. With smart technology and a remote control system, this cutter doesn't just remove stumps, it practically asks them to leave politely before obliterating them. And how could we skip the jaw-dropping Claas Xerion 3300 VC Octopus? This machine trims verges with such precision and flair, it's like a choreographed dance routine, but with more horsepower and less tutu. But wait, there's more. Feast your eyes on the prowling excellence of the Technie Kirow Slag Taurus, the Dressta TD25 Bulldozer, and the Backhus A. These mechanical demigods rule their domains. The Slag Taurus casually hauls 150 tons of molten slag like it's a grocery run. The TD25 Bulldozer's high-performance engine turns mountains into molehills and molehills into smooth highways, while the Backhus A redefines composting, flipping mountains of organic material with the grace of a gymnast and the power of a freight train. And let's not forget the TG7000 Tub Grinder and OTR Debeader, a duo so skilled they make multitasking look effortless. Look, for instance, the TG7000 devours trees and massive stumps, like it's snacking on breadsticks, or the OTR Debeader removes steel beads from off-road tires with the finesse of a jeweler. So, grab your hard hats and popcorn, because this lineup of mechanical legends is ready to blow your mind, and maybe a few tons of earth while they're at it. Let's dive into this epic symphony of innovation, power, and raw mechanical might. Not every renewable energy solution makes a splash except for the Orbital O2 turbine, which literally floats on water. In April 2021, the Tay estuary in Dundee, Scotland welcomed this 74-meter-long mechanical marvel. Imagine a floating behemoth equipped with twin 1-megawatt power generating nacelles mounted on retractable legs. This isn't just your average floating platform, it's a tidal energy superhero with a 2-megawatt total capacity and 20-meter diameter rotors sweeping over 600 square meters. Translation: enough energy to power 2,000 United Kingdom homes annually and offset around 2,200 tons of carbon dioxide. Talk about a clean getaway. With 360-degree blade pitching control, the O2 captures energy from both tidal directions, proving that sometimes going with the flow is a good thing. Stumps beware! The Vermeer SC 1052 is coming for you! Powered by a beastly 115 horsepower engine, this machine doesn't just cut stumps, it obliterates them with style. The secret sauce? Vermeer's exclusive VCS cutting system, which features a patented design that eliminates traditional hassles like double-sided teeth replacements. The SC 1052 doesn't waste time either. It can handle stumps up to 31 inches above ground and 25 inches below, with a straight line cutting width of 72 inches. Translation: this powerhouse can remove a 6-foot stump without breaking a sweat or making you reposition it. Efficiency never looked so sharp. When you hear octopus, you probably don't think tractor, but the Claas Xerion 3300 VC Octopus is here to change that. Designed for large-scale ditch and verge mowing, this 330 horsepower machine features 4 independently controlled Herder Grenadier MBK LSH mowing arms. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of mowing machines, capable of tackling even the trickiest ditch profiles. Its pièce de resistance? A rotating cabin that swivels 180 degrees, offering optimal visibility for rear-mounted tools. Who says multitasking is just for humans? Steelmaking is a hot job, literally. Enter the Technie Kirow Slag Taurus, the unsung hero of the railway system and steel plants alike. This molten slag transporter doesn't just carry up to 140 metric tons of fiery byproducts, it does so with heat-resistant materials and cutting-edge safety mechanisms that minimize spills. Equipped with dedicated rail mobility systems, the Slag Taurus moves through steel plants like a boss, ensuring that even the toughest industrial tasks look effortless. It's not just a machine, it's a legend on rails. The Dressta TD25 Bulldozer doesn't just move mountains, it laughs while doing it. Powered by a turbocharged diesel engine, this crawler-type powerhouse weighs in at up to 43,000 kilograms, depending on its configuration. Need a straight blade, universal blade, or landfill blade? The TD25 has you covered, offering options that can handle anything from forestry to mining. Whether it's pushing massive loads or carving through rough terrain, this machine is all about turning impossible tasks into just another Tuesday. Think composting is boring? Meet the Backhus A, a windrow turner that takes material processing to the next level. With a 600 horsepower engine, this self-propelled machine can process up to 7,000 cubic meters per hour. Yes, per hour. But it's not just about brute force, it's also about finesse. The Backhus A boasts a height-adjustable, reversible rotor with variable speed control, making it a master of adapting to different materials. Add in features like cameras, fleece winders, and side conveyors, and you've got a machine that's redefining the art of composting. Imagine the world of wood recycling meeting its ultimate superhero. The TG7000 Tub Grinder doesn't just grind wood and organic waste, it pulverizes it into submission, turning giant debris piles into neat, reusable material like it's starring in a mulch-making action movie. This beast packs a 700 horsepower C27 Tier 4 final diesel engine, which is just a fancy way of saying, it eats logs for breakfast. Created by Vermeer Engineering, this machine doesn't just work hard, it works smart. With a built-in dust and noise control system, because nobody likes a noisy neighbor, sensors and auto shut-off for self-preservation, and a remote control system that lets you operate it from a mobile loader, the TG7000 is like a wood chipper genius with a soft side for operator comfort. Who knew grinding wood could be this sophisticated? Now let's talk tires. Big tires. Off-the-road tires that look like they belong on a monster truck's dream garage. Enter the OTR Debeader, a machine so specialized it could have its own action figure. Designed by Eagle Equipment Limited, this hydraulic powerhouse rips out steel beads from tires up to 63 inches in diameter. Picture a tire surgeon with the precision of a laser and the power of a hydraulic crane. Adjustable die plates handle tires of all shapes and sizes, while the hydraulic shear trims off any rubber scraps like it's giving the tire a stylish haircut. And weighing in at a casual 46,440 pounds, it's not just a machine, it's a tank with a mission. With an 8 to 9 hour operation time and a 42-gallon fuel capacity, the OTR Debeader is the most valuable player of tire recycling. Whether it's the TG7000 turning logs into mulch masterpieces or the OTR Debeader giving old tires a new lease on life, these machines are more than tools. They're engineering legends. They make impossible jobs look easy, all while keeping sustainability and efficiency at the forefront. If these mechanical marvels blew your mind, and maybe your idea of what a machine can do, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping adventures into the world of cutting-edge technology. See you in the next episode where we'll marvel at more industrial giants doing what they do best, being awesome.